So let's look at food 2, another 15 more. So carrot. Carrot. Very universal. Long, orange vegetable. Very good. I have them quite often. Very healthy, very useful. Carrot, quite universal. Go with most meals. Stews, and beyond. Stews, rice, pasta. Yeah, pasta works. It works. Spaghetti. Oh, pasta, yeah. Spaghetti, yeah. But very universal. And cheese. Cheese. I guess it's fermented. Fermented milk from a cow, goat, sheep. Yeah, I guess so. Other animals. A llama and beyond. Cheese. Yeah. Very universal again, cheese. And cherry. Oh, this is a nice one. Cherry. Like cherries. Imagine a little stalk and a little cherry. Maybe with seed inside. Cherry. Very nice. Different colours. Red, possibly the most common. I'm not sure. Blue? Green? Not too sure, but cherries. A nice fruit. Quite sweet. I like them a lot. And chicken. Chicken. Very universal. Chicken animal. Different parts of it. There's the breast, the thighs, the hips, and beyond. Chicken. Very popular in Asian countries. I remember a lot from China. Very popular in China. But then, what's even better, I think, chickpeas. Chickpeas. These are very nice. Small little green dots, very much like peas, very much like a pea, but I don't know why they're called chickpeas. They just are. I enjoy chickpeas. They're a little vegetable. Most meals, I guess popular in India as well. A lot of Indian food that I know, mainly from northern India. Yeah, I guess northern India. You could have it with dosa from southern India as well. But yeah, very popular. I like them a lot. Very universal, very sweet. Not sweet, very... They go with most foods. They go with spicy foods, savoury foods. They go with any kind of dish. I quite like them. Chickpeas. Nice. And chili. Oh, chili. I always love chili. I always have chili. I always like to eat with chili. Always spicy food. Chili. Red, green chili, or different kinds of chilies. Paprika, or hot curry powder. Very good. I like it a lot. Chili. My favourite. I like spicy food, and I like adding chili. I also like using black pepper with the chili. How cool is that? And chips. Chips. Very, very common in the UK. And I guess Europe as well. Well, I guess most places, because it's a fast food chip. But a sliced potato that's been fried. I guess it's common everywhere, really. I mean, like, originated in, I guess, America. I guess America. French fries, they call them. Or in most European countries, patatas fritas. Patatas fritas? Yeah. Oh yeah, patatas fritas, yeah, fried potatoes, makes sense, yeah. Because I remember in Germany first coming across that word, patatas fritas. I was like, what does that mean? But I think it's the same in Mexico and Spain, patatas fritas. Fried potatoes. Makes sense. Not very healthy though, I wouldn't recommend having them too often. Chips. No thank you. And cider. Cider, this is a nice one. An alcoholic drink that is based from, or made from, apples. Apples, pears, plums. I guess you could do potatoes? I guess. Cider. Generally sweet. Cider is quite nice. There are a lot of ciders in the UK. A lot of ciders in Europe, I guess. Mainly from apples. You get them also from pears as well. But cider. Sweet. Very much like a beer and an ale. It's a beer. Not quite an ale. But it's made from fruit. And it's a lot different from mead. We'll get on to mead later. And cinnamon. A spice that is very sweet. With the dessert. You would have it with apple tart. And apple, custard, other fruits as well. It's cherry. You have it with custard and cream. Yeah, you wouldn't have cinnamon spice with, say, chicken. Chickpeas, not really. Carrots, not really. Cheese, not really. Maybe, not really. But cider, cinnamon. Cider, cinnamon. Cinnamon, a nice sweet spice to use with most desserts. I quite like it. Coffee, very universal. Coffee. Espresso. What's it called? Not Latino. Latin. I forgot what it's called. Americano, espresso, frappuccino, and beyond. Helps to keep you energized, but that's because the caffeine inside the coffee. You have coffee, then you have decaffeinated coffee. Coffee like normal. Then you got like roasted or what's it called? Quick, I forgot the phrase now. But yeah, coffee. But also we have coffee beans, or we can have decaffeinated coffee, which has had the caffeine taken away. Decaffeinated. Caffeinated. Decaffeinated. It's been removed. Decaf. Means you get the flavour and the taste and the pleasure, but you don't get the energy, the buzz from it. You don't get the, I guess in a way, it's addictive substance. Caffeine. So there's different kinds of coffee. And cognac. Somewhat expensive, elegant spirit, like a whiskey. Strong alcoholic drink, maybe 40% plus, quite easily. Cognac, with or without ice. And you'd say, well, more whiskey, but you'd say cognac, ice would be the rocks. So you could say whiskey on the rocks, but you wouldn't quite say cognac on the rocks. You just say cognac. Yeah, cognac with ice, maybe. Very strong though. Not much flavour to it. Just very, kind of like rocket fuel. It's just a few degrees short of just being pure ethanol, pure rocket fuel, pure car fuel. It's just no flavour to it. That's why cider and ale is better, because at least there's flavour. There's something to taste. Courgette. Oh, this is a weird thing. Courgette. Or in America, I believe it is called zucchini, but it's a courgette. Just a strange vegetable, like most of the vegetables, really. Strange in its own way. Just this vegetable. It just is. It just is. Cream. So whipped cream or cream. So like, I guess it's milk or butter that's been shaken and stirred and mixed thoroughly, and it's like a foamy substance. You spray it on things. You spray it on things, or you make it and like spread it onto foods. Buns, scones or scone. It's a savoury thing. So you put it on top of apple tart. Here's apple tart, and there's the cream. Or ice cream. Ice cream. Cream and ice cream. You can put cream on top of ice cream. Very common. Makes sense. Let's have some cream, please, on the ice cream. Makes sense. And cucumber. A long green vegetable. I guess it's vegetable because there's no seeds inside it. Very gentle. Not overly strong flavour. Very juicy in a way. A lot of water. So quite healthy, really. Cucumber. Very good. I have it with most meals. Very good. And custard. Like, think a yellow gravy that you pour on top of sweet things. Pour on top of apple tart. Custard. Very nice. So carrot, I have it all the time. I eat carrot all the time. Cheese, not really. Not really. Rarely. Cherries, yeah. Rarely. More grapes. Grapes. Chicken, not really. Chickpeas, yes, but not had them in ages. I have not eaten chickpeas in ages. Chilli, yes, all the time. Oh yes, very nice. Chips, no thank you. Chips are not healthy. Oh, no thank you. Cider, not really. Just not bothered, just, yeah, whatever. Meh, not really interested. Cinnamon, yeah, I have it, but don't really eat it because it's a sweet thing. I don't really have sweet. I don't really eat sweet foods, and you wouldn't put cinnamon on savoury foods, pasta, for example, or rice, or carrot, or chickpeas. You wouldn't really have them. Coffee, rarely. Not really. Rarely. I can go without drinking coffee for a month, a week, 10 days, 2 weeks. I don't need to drink it. I'll drink it if I want some coffee, the flavour of coffee. Whatever. Cognac, not really. There's no flavour to it, no excitement. Very boring. Cognac is very boring. And courgette? Yeah, not really. I could. Sure. When I see it, why not? Cream? Not really. Very fatty. Not healthy. No, thank you. Cucumber, yes. Very useful, very universal. Easy to clean, easy to prepare. Throw it in the meal. Nice. Slice it, rinse it, eat it. Nice. Custard? Not really. I don't have sweet food, so I wouldn't really have custard, just by chance. The last time I had custard was Christmas 2020 to 2021. December 25th, 2020. And the last time I had custard before that, months and months and months and months before that, maybe February 2020, I guess. I'm really not sure. I guess, I'm not sure. But how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep going.